Hello. Let's learn colors. Yellow color, sky blue color, brown color, light green color, orange color, violet color, red color, deep green color, blue color, black color. Today we are trying to learn ABC writing. So let's start. A for ant. B for banana. C for cat. D for donut. E for eggplant. F for frog. G for grasshopper. H for house. I for ink pot. J for juice. K for kite. L for lamp. M for monkey. N for nose. O for olives. P for policeman. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zipper. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.